Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with the plan with me for the week of August 13th through the 19th. So if you'll notice, I already have some washi tape down on the page, and it appears that I don't have plans, but never fear. I decided to try to pick my washi first. So what I am doing here is I'm putting my sticky notes back on the page because I wanted you guys to see that, number one, I had plans, and then number two, I came up with a little system that helped me out. I know in the past I've forgotten sometimes exactly what plans belonged on what date. So now I'm writing the date with a circle on the sticky note, so that way as I pull them off, I'm able to keep track of exactly what date that sticky note belongs to. So just a little tip for you guys. I don't know if that's something you already do, but it wasn't something that I was doing in the past, and it turned out well this week when I had to jump back in and put these plans down. So going through, I have picked a couple of sticker books. This is that new sticker value pack that was in the mega box. So I definitely want to use that. My colorful boxes, can't live without that one. And the seasonal student book and the Get It Done seasonal book. I think that's what it's called. It has 861 pieces. So I'm going to try to stick to just those 4 sticker books. So we'll see how it happens. So of course I've already picked my inspiration sticker, and it is quite cute to me anyway. It is pastels, and it is one of these longer stickers that are going to cover several boxes. So I'm going to just turn my, we'll take the sticker out. And something that I noticed with this sticker book, it was kind of difficult to get some of the stickers out. So I don't know the reasoning behind it, but I struggled when I typically don't struggle. So just putting this upside down, the page upside down, so I can attempt to lay it as straight as possible. If it's not perfect, I'm okay with it, but if it's super crooked, you guys know I will have to pull it up or bust out the undo. I have no problem busting out the undo. So I wanted to pull this up just a little bit just to remove that washi tape, as I could see it through the sticker, so I didn't want it there. So I'm grabbing my X-Acto knife so that I can pull it up. And of course, those surgical tweezers. I'm still loving them at this point in time. It's been several weeks. Okay. Love those colors. And I think that even though they're softer and more pastel, there's something about a pop to it that will make it, you know, seem like it's summer as well. All right, so I did not pre-plan any other stickers from this book. So you'll see me flipping through, trying to figure out exactly what sticker I want to place next. I think that was the longest part of this. So those to-do clear stickers, I like those. So we're going to use that as a to-do header because I have a lot of stuff. I have a long list. It may be even a laundry list of things to get done on Monday. So I'm going to put that to-do sticker there. Well, the placement's not quite right, so I'm going to pull it up and drop it down again. All right, I like how that turned out. Now, what I don't really like as I'm looking right now is that washi tape. It's kind of throwing things off. So you'll see me pull it up here and then decide to use the Pastel's skinny washi tape along with a skinny holographic washi tape. I'm not sure where that skinny holographic washi tape came from, but it is with my skinny washis, and that's what I end up using in the spread. So here I'm pulling up that washi tape from before, and I'm grabbing a lavender header to put some pastel pops on the spread, and then I'll grab my skinny pastel washi tape from Create 365 or the Happy Planner, and then it didn't work, so I grabbed my Tombow whiteout and put that down. Then you'll see me grab a peach sticker, and that's going to come from one of that student sticker book that I'm using. I pull that out, white out again, and then I go for 2 hexagon stickers in hot pink and yellow. I white out that coral line there, put down some more washi from that same sticker pack, and then finally up top I put in some holographic washi, and there was no need to white out anything. So here, jumping to the right side of the page, whiting out the lines and putting down that pastel washi. And then I'll pop over back to the left side of the page, and I located some polka dot clear washi in that new sticker book, and I lay it down. And then I grab a pastel green header, and I put that off centered, and then you see me taking it off the page and grabbing the undo to take up that clear polka dot sticker, as I didn't like how that one looked. So here I peeled up that hot pink hexagon and put down a lavender one to try to make the spread more cohesive. I also located a holographic to-do flag there from the Get It Done student book. And I also laid the final piece of holographic washi on the right hand side of the page. So overall, the spread is coming together rather nicely. No complaints from me. And I found a weekend header there, and I put that down as well. So here I'm just flipping through the book and trying to locate a pastel pink box is what I landed on, and I made sure that it matched the sticker. And then I also grabbed some other colorful boxes sticker from the new sticker book, just making sure that I go back and reference that main sticker that we put down. So we added some yellow, some lavender, some more of that minty green color there we were able to put down. So I locate that bill due. That's actually a sticky note from the new combo book, and I stick that down with some adhesive, as well as that yellow bill due sticker, and that also came from that combo sticker book. And I found the sticker that matched perfectly, and I put that up in our sidebar that had all the colors. And then finally, I'm flipping through and finding some checklist that I can add, the skinny checklist, of course, because I now love those, and headers to signify 2 activities that I needed to complete on Sunday, and then further securing the bill due sticker. So as we flip through here, I am going to locate headers that are in that new sticker book, important, get it done. You'll also see me put down a few asterisks from that sticker book as well, another to-do header. And just making sure I keep those pops in there so everything ties in good together. I added a checklist on the left side of the page because it was missing a checklist on that side. And then I grabbed the gold star quotes, and I found a cute quote that says "Go see do" to put right above the confetti that I moved from the top. Here shortly you'll see me add a beautiful cute little girl, and she is from the Girls Agenda 52 sticker book. She has the afro puff, the ripped jeans, and the blazer. So she's absolutely cute and just what I needed to close this spread out. So this is my spread before the pin. So let's jump in and get some plans down. I would really like to apologize for the top part of this spread being cut off, but this should be one of the last spreads where I have that issue with capturing my entire spread in the frame. I have my solution on the way. It should be here any day now. So I am using that Check It Off stencil by the Happy Planner there to put my plans down on Monday. I did pick that up from Hobby Lobby about a year or so ago for $4.99. I'm certain I didn't pay full price for it. I'm pretty sure I used a coupon, but they are now also sold at Michael's. So if you haven't picked one up, it's a great tool. Not only can you use it for boxes, it has circles and it also has lines. So if your planner is not lined like the Glam Girl, you can draw straight lines using this tool. I have a laundry list of things to get done on Monday. It is going to be extremely hectic, and as I'm filling this out, you'll notice I'll put some plans down, and then I even come back on Monday to add more. Popped in the 2 bills that I had to pay on Wednesday and grabbed the Trendsetter Mini for this cute little yellow Happy Planner icon there. So a little nervous about Monday because I am going to be working full time. I'm momming as bonus mom to Marley, and also some of these things are not just phone calls, they're actual errands that I have to run. So it's going to take a lot of balancing, but I'm glad I have my planner and my checklist so I can check off things as I'm getting it done. Here on Wednesday, I'm just putting down some more plans and things that I have to get done. Here I go again, adding to the already long list on Monday. I put down a couple more plans or things that I have to get done. Of course, there's going to be Starbucks in my day on Monday, so you see me put that down. And I grab my check it off list just to put down my plans for Thursday. So how do you guys feel about a challenge for your planner spreads? I'm thinking about doing a pen and highlighter only spread. I have not really done that ever, and if I did, it was not intentional. If you're interested, how about comment below? I will put the challenge out on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so. I'm at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. And let's have some fun. Let's spruce up these spreads and do some new things or some other things. So here, just jumping back to Thursday, using my check it off list to put down my final plans. So here, just finishing it off. And lots of things to do. We have a sleepover, a pool party, and a barbecue to get done for the weekend. But this is my completed spread with plans, and it looks good. So this is the final spread for the week of August 13th through the 19th. I absolutely love the way it came out. The colors are enticing, makes me want to open my planner. And Miss Lady there from that Agenda 52 sticker book, don't you just love her hand on her hip? That is like my favorite pose ever. And that Afro puff, it is really truly everything. So even though I'll be busy, I'm super excited. I have my checklist to get everything done, and I'll make sure that I transfer these plans to my mini so you guys can see how my mini spread turned out. Well, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? We're having fun over here. And just to make sure that you miss none of my videos, below, if you will click on the notification bell, it will notify you anytime that I upload a new video. Well, I hope you have a great and productive week, and that you're able to stick to your plans and also check things off of your list. Ciao, Bella.